Welcome to Aldeburgh. Aldeburgh is a small coastal town in East Anglia, in the county of Suffolk. Last year we visited Woodbridge and Felixstowe in Suffolk. The links to those videos are in the description. In 2019 it had an estimated population of 2,276. A feature of Aldeburgh are the fishermen's huts selling freshly caught fish daily. Launching on Aldeburgh's shingle beach needs tracks and big tyres. The beach is backed by a promenade with pastel-coloured villas and is just a short walk from the high street. Looking straight out to sea, the next land out there is The Hague in Holland. Here's Aldeburgh Lifeboat Station. The station's Mersey-class all-weather lifeboat and the D-class inshore lifeboat stand ready facing the North Sea, in a long-standing tradition of Aldeburgh and its lifeboat crew. Aldeburgh Museum's housed in the iconic Mute Hall, a superb 16th century Grade 1 listed timber frame building that is also home to the town council. The museum tells of Aldeburgh's rich and varied history through hands-on and digital displays. You can learn all about the beautiful Tudor building, local democracy, the fishing and shipbuilding industry, archaeological discoveries, the Anglo-Saxons, the Victorian era, the witches of Aldeburgh, and much more. The town gets its name from Aldeburgh, meaning Old Fort. It's a former Tudor port given the status by Henry VIII himself. The town and its shipbuilders were responsible for the creation of several famous vessels, including Sir Francis Drake's Golden Hind. Aldeburgh is world renowned thanks to its connection with Benjamin Britten, the founder of the Aldeburgh Festival, which takes place in June every year. The White Lion Hotel, built in the 17th century with many alterations since, although it's suggested a hotel was established here in 1563 on the site of an earlier inn dating back from the 15th century. The Mill Inn was originally built in the 16th century but substantially reconstructed in the mid-19th. Up the hill you can see St. Peter and St. Paul's Church. It's a Grade 2 listed parish church in the Church of England. The church tower dates back from the 14th century, but much of the rest is 16th century. It was restored between 1870 and 1871 by Henry Perkin, and then again in 1893 by E.F. Bishop. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. The church is most famous as being the burial place of the composer Benjamin Britten and his partner, the tenor Peter Pears. These marble structures are monuments to a lifeboat disaster. On the eastern side, an inscription records the events of December the 7th, 1899. A strong onshore gale capsized the lifeboat. 7 members of the Aldeburgh lifeboat died in a rescue attempt. Second homes make up a third of Aldeburgh's housing. It's been reported as the 4th most expensive seaside town in Britain. Horas non numero nisi serenus. I've seen several different interpretations of this Latin on websites. According to Google Translator, it means the number of hours, not only the bright. The Aldeburgh Model Yacht Pond. Jubilee Hall, built in 1887 by local businessman Newson Garrett to celebrate Queen Victoria's Golden Jubilee. Today, Jubilee Hall is a theatre and concert venue and still boasts the original orchestra pit used by Benjamin Britten. The Cross Keys pub is a 15th century pub set back from the sea and is one of the oldest buildings in the town. The wide High Street has attractive Georgian buildings, housing independent shops, galleries and restaurants. The fish and chip shops are some of the best in the country. Regatta restaurant here in the heart of Aldeburgh High Street, specialising in primarily seafood dishes to reflect its coastal location, has been awarded an AA Rosette for culinary excellence. I hope you enjoyed this short walk around Aldeburgh. Just as a little extra, you will notice driving in and out of Aldeburgh several free-range pig farms. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.